Hello, my name is Hans George Campbell. Tonight I thought I'd show you guys this new old stock IBM personal computer game control adapter. Most people that are involved in the retro computer collecting hobby, they don't show stuff like this in their videos, which is a shame. And so I thought, well, whenever I get stuff like this, whenever I pick up something like this, that I would show it on my channel. And at the time of posting this video, okay, there are no videos on YouTube about this IBM Game Control Adapter. There are no videos about this on YouTube, making my video, this video, a YouTube first. Anyway, I thought tonight we'd take a look at this, do like a sort of like an unboxing, and we take a look at what's inside, and I'll show you the board in detail, and I'm also going to scan in the documentation, and you'll be able to read that. Just pause the video and read the pages if you want to do that. So yeah, this is what I'm going to show in tonight's video. Okay, so let's open up this box and see what's inside. Well, first we'll show the box. Take a look at the box. There's the front of the box. I guess either side can be a front or a rear of the box. There's the top of the box, or one of the ends. There's another end. I mean, this is brand new from like the early 80s. You know how rare it is to find something like this? I mean, just look at that. It's very rare to find vintage computer stuff like this brand new in the box from the 80s. This is extremely rare. Yeah. Very rare. And so that's why I've decided to show stuff like this on my channel. Now, most of you, when you open these boxes, you just grab one of here and open it, but you take a chance on ripping this. So through the years, because I collect Matchbox cars, and the original Matchboxes that were made in England by Leslie, they came in these little boxes. So what I've discovered, the way of opening those without damaging the flaps, is you take a knife like this, the blunt edge, you slip the knife in like that, right? And you press while pressing against that, and it'll open up that box flap. You see how it did that? It'll open up that box flap without tearing it or breaking it or creasing it. And then what you want to do is you want to grab it right here and pull like this. And then pull out. It unlocks it from over here. See how I did that? And we've got this manual right here that's still shrink wrapped. I will scan this with my scanner, and this will be posted at the end of the video. You'll be able to read all of this. You'll be able to pause the video and read these pages if you want to. So this will be posted next, okay? Don't worry about that. Alright, so now for the card itself is in a box. Like what, a box within a box? Yeah, a box within a box, people. And yes, in a box like this. Can I open it with this knife here? I usually don't like to use this knife. Yeah, it cuts it open. That's good. And slip it in like that. And I don't want to damage the card. And then basically like that. And yeah, there you go. Okay. And there's the actual board itself. I like the way these old cards are wrapped up like that in this foam stuff. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, people. Pretty cool. Okay. So let's look at that. Brand new, still sealed. Look at that. Brand new, still sealed. So let's, I'm the first one that's tearing it open. Yeah. And we'll take the card out. Look at that. I'll zoom in. I'll zoom in as you can see the board or card. Okay. Actually, let's take a look at it this way. Your standard game port right there. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to lay the board down and we're going to zoom in on this card. Yeah, I like the macro capabilities of this camera. It's always been good. This camera's always had great macro capabilities. Yeah. I think it's a high quality card. The way it's made, it's very nice. Very nice card. Okay, that looks pretty good. Don't want to go overboard, right? Okay. Let me get my pointer. Okay. It's interesting the way they have all these little holes right here, these solder holes. It's interesting, you know, the way they did that. And the way they have the solder holes right here. That's interesting when they made that. But look at the way it's made. It's just very high quality. The way this is actually bolted on here and the connector is soldered on. I mean, it's just nothing but very high quality parts. Very high quality, well-made board. I really like this board. And it surprised me. There is nothing about this board on YouTube at all. And there's not that much on the internet about this card either. So, yeah, I found that very surprising. So I thought that since I bought this from a seller on eBay. I got it pretty cheap. Brand new old store stock, you know, that I would go ahead and I would show the board on my channel. And whenever I find stuff like this, I will show it on my channel because I think things like this is just as interesting as showing the computers themselves, you know. Why not show boards like this when you pick them up, especially brand new old store stock, you know. Oh yeah, that stuff is extremely rare. Yeah. Yeah, and then here is the back of the board. For those of you that are engineers, you want to take a look at the back of the board. See what it looks like. Well, there's the back of the board. Right there. Okay. There's the back of the board. It's really interesting the way they did this. That's interesting. Yeah. I'm thinking that I might put the board like this and then zoom in even more. For those of you that want to read the chips, you know, you might want to read, you know, the value of the chips. So, yeah. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, you can read the value of the chips. So now we're going to take a look at the manual. I'll take it into my computer room, you know, in my office space, and I'll scan in the manual. And this way you'll be able to read the manual at your leisure. Just pause the video on whatever page you want to read. And after that, yeah, we'll end the video. So that's coming up next. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more exciting content here on the Hans Campbell Show. My name is Hans George Campbell, and until next time.